Woman to Man. The poem Woman to Man, written by Judith Wright, describes the feelings of a woman from the time of sexual encounter with her husband until the time of labor. She expressed her feelings as a wife as well as the holder of her future offspring in her belly. Stanza 1. The eyeless laborer in the night, the selfless, shapeless sheet I hold, builds for its resurrection day, silent and swift and deep from sight, foresees the unimagined light. The first stanza, the poet says that in the night she had a sexual encounter with her husband that was meant for pleasure, resulted in some consequences as well. This sexual encounter between the couple led to the creation of something in her body that has no shape and identity. She cannot see it, however, its growth is deep and fast as well, which she, as the holder, can predict it, thus it holds possibility. Stanza 2. There is no child with a child's face. This has no name to name it by. Yet you and I have known it well. This is your hunter and our chase, the third who lay in our empress. The second stanza, the seed that she held after the sexual encounter that has started attaining shape. Judith Wright says that the creature is still shapeless and also has no shape. Still, she and her husband know well that they have created it and it will develop into a human. The poet considers the creature both as their hunter as well as their chase. It is a hunter because it accompanied the sexual encounter between the couple, which was meant for joy and pleasure. On the other hand, it's their chase as well because humans perform sex for it. Poet says that it will become the third one in the family. Stanza 3. This is the strength that your arm knows, the arc of flesh that is my breast, the precise crystals of our eyes. This is the blood's wild tree that grows, that intricate and the folded rose. The third stanza, the poet explains the stage of its further development in her belly. According to Wright, the infant will possess in it the energy and strength of the man as well as the flesh of woman that it will gain in this stage. Thus, it has become the star of its parents. Like a tree, it will also grow into a human, and like the unfolding of a rose flower, it will develop the ways, manners, nature, and all other traits of its parents. Stanza 4. This is the maker and the mate. This is the question and reply. The blind head putting at the dog the place of light along the blade. Oh, hold me, for I am afraid. The first stanza, Judith Wright describes the final stage of the infant in her belly. According to her, the infant that she made along with her husband will be another maker in the future. It's both the creature that raises the question in her mind as well as the answer to her questions. It is an enlightened brain that is searching for the rays of light as it at about to come into the world. A blade is a tool that cuts something. Here, the dawn, which has a very scarce sun rays, can is blade that cuts day and night. Thus, the child is at this stage between parental, which is dark, and natal stage, which is shining. Its coming out into the world makes the poet afraid. I think it's the labor pain that frightens her. Thus, the poem starts in the dead of night and ends in the dawn. Thank you.